Today I've got a feel-good flow for you. We'll start off by turning from our hips and our waist, allowing our arms to gently knock across our body, and taking deep breaths while we're doing this. Loosening up any tension. Coming back to the present moment. And then we can start looking over our shoulder, looking to the back of the room, giving ourselves a bit of a deeper stretch in our spine. And coming back to how we started. Taking a few more deep breaths. Coming back to the center, allowing our arms to unravel. Now we'll do teacups. We'll bring our hand up. Our hips come over to the side while our arm comes inward, out, over our head, and then we're where we started off. Moving our hips over while the hand follows, out, circling overhead, coming back to the start. We'll do a few more very slowly. Being careful that we don't spill the tea that's in our cups, that we don't make a mess. We'll do 3 more on this side. And the last one. And now we'll swap to the other side. Again, bringing our hand up. Hip comes over, hand follows. Circling around, above our head, and back to where we started. We'll do a few more in our own time. And then we can let the whole movement flow continuously. We'll do 3 more. And last one. Coming back to the center, releasing our hands, and we'll finish with opening the floor. Allowing our hands to float up to about shoulder height, and relaxing, allowing our hands to float back down. Breathing in, hands float up, and breathing out, hands float back down. Breathing in, and breathing out. In and out. Doing a few in your own time. Continuing to take deep breaths. And we'll do one last one. Breathing in, breathing out, allowing our hands to float back down and relax. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below how this routine made you feel. As always, please feel free to share this video with your friends and family, and I will see you next time. Bye!